Hi, I'm Paul Nakasone, the Director of the Institute of National Security. Today is Academic Workshops. We're taking a look at some of the most challenging problems our nation faces. How do we look different at military medicine? How do we look different at cybersecurity? How do we take a look at neurodiversity as a strength for hiring for the future? This is what our tabletop exercise is focused on. We're very pleased here at the Institute of National Security to be able to bring experts to us and then be able to take that expertise to the world.
Hi, I'm Ben Jensen, and I'm the director of the CSIS Futures Lab. I was asked to come here and put together a tabletop exercise. Now, this tabletop exercise, think of it like a strategy game, is an attempt to let a mix of subject matter experts talking about something most people don't associate with the US and China, competition in the Arctic. What makes this effort unique is that we're not just exploring the future of competition in the Arctic, we're also exploring how Vanderbilt can grow its own kind of research community and educational space to think about kind of games. But also because the model that they're laying out for the Institute has a lot of promise for how we reimagine both the university community, but how it also engages the broader national security community.